Hi guys, so we're gonna take you with us today on a little day trip through Malibu. We're gonna start out with a really fun hike and probably go get some food and see a few other things. So if you've never been to the coast of California, this will give you some ideas for planning your next trip. All right, come along.
Alright guys, so we're taking you on a hike at Temescal Canyon. It costs to park in the park, and it's easy to park right on Temescal Canyon Road for free. And then, you know, you're hiking anyway, so you can walk right up to the park and get on the trail.
So these are the famous parrots of Pacific Palisades, and sometimes they go down to Santa Monica. You can see them up there. There's probably about 10 or 12 green.
So there's a lot of trailheads here. Today we're going to be hiking the Rivas trailhead. It's the beginning of it is on the southeast side of the park. We'll put a link in the description below to help you find it.
Oh, the light is so beautiful right now. I love hiking in the morning. Overall, this hike is pretty moderate. It takes about an hour and a half to get up to these lookout points, and it really rewards you with some amazing views. The trail goes on from there if you want to, but we just continued on back down after that. That was an awesome hike. Let's go get some breakfast. This little cafe is one of our favorites. We really love the breakfast tacos here, and they have some other great dishes. They also have a location in Santa Monica. We'll leave a link for you in the caption. Right, that's why I was in there.
So here's the reason why. I turn my back to the black asphalt strip that brought me here. Then I look out over the big blue adventure that lies ahead and jump in and go catch some waves. So spread throughout this park there are these amazing mosaic sculptures. Large, very large. This guy is almost as big around as me. Gorgeous, simply gorgeous. And on Sundays, right along the side of the park, there's a farmer's market.
Aside from several restaurants, there's also lots of shopping to do in the area. There's many well-known brands that have stores here.
So just across the street from the Malibu Country Mart is the Malibu Lagoon, a gorgeous bird sanctuary with some trails right on the beach. And it's actually, this stretch of the sand is part of the long right point break known as the Malibu Point Surf Spot. Very iconic, probably the most iconic surfing spot in Southern California. So this is the epic gateway through the Malibu wall on out to the Malibu surf spot. Right now it's winter time and this happens to be a summer surf spot. It takes a south swell for the waves to work. So there's no waves, no surfers, but this is where the famous Big Wednesday was filmed. Also Gidget, many clips filmed right here on this very sand. So amazing history here from a surfing perspective.
Yeah, so this is Neptunes Net, and always a lot of like, motorcycles and stuff outside, so don't let that like intimidate you at all. It's a gorgeous day. It's right across from County Line, which is like the biggest surf spot. And yeah, you can just get like a nice cold beer. There's tons of seafood. You can get steamed seafood as well as like fried clams, fried calamari, fried fish. Delicious food, and yeah, it's just really fun.
We're going to wrap up this video here. We hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and we'd love to have you guys subscribe and come along with us on our adventures to come.